In the past, it was possible to upgrade your Mac volume, but you can't do it anymore. So, if you want a bigger drive, you must buy an expensive MacBook. That's why we came up with the idea of an external drive with additional ports.
Today's MacBooks are loved by many. They're beautiful, light, fast, robust, but they have one extreme limitation: fixed hard disk size. But the future is now with FlashDock. Our goal was to design an uncompromised product, something that will break the barrier of the fixed flash disk size of today's MacBooks. Something that is really small and light, but at the same time it has 2 terabytes of fast flash memory and can easily be hooked up to your machine. Therefore, we use similar material like the MacBooks today itself: aluminum and carbon fiber plastic. With FlashDock you can not only unleash the limits of your built-in volume, I mean everyone knows the problem when your hard disk gets too small, but you can also connect your most favorite devices. There is a SD port and micro SD, USB, USB 3 and even USB-C for power charging, and you can choose between a 5K Mini DisplayPort or a 4K HDMI model. You can use FlashDock as a removable device and enjoy multiple times of data storage, or you remove the adhesive tape protection and permanently connect it to your MacBook, making it an ultra-mobile and durable flash disk enhancement for your computer. We hope you find FlashDock as exciting as we do and support us on Kickstarter. Thank you so much.